Chemicals from common salt. Hydrogen, chlorine, and sodium hydroxide. These are the major compounds obtained from common salt. You know, common salt is nothing but sodium chloride. Fuels, margarine, ammonia. So these are all the substances obtained from hydrogen. Chlorine is used in water treatment, in swimming pools, and this is also used in manufacturing polyvinyl chloride, disinfectants, then pesticides. Sodium hydroxide, that is represented as NaOH. We also call sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda. This is used as a degreasing chemical in metal treatment also, metal pre-treatment. So if you want to clean the metal which is oily and greasy, then we can make use of this degreasing chemical containing caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide. And this is also used in the soap and detergent industries and in paper industries also. From hydrogen and chlorine, the most essential mineral acid, that is hydrochloric acid, is obtained. Bleaching powder obtained from sodium hydroxide and chlorine. You know the application of bleaching powder that kills the germs. Now let us discuss about bleaching powder, the chemical constitution of bleaching powder. You know calcium hydroxide. What is the formula of calcium hydroxide? CaOH twice. So let us have calcium hydroxide. When chlorine is treated, you are able to get calcium oxychloride with water as byproduct. This calcium oxychloride bleaches the that is the smudges or even colors. It has got some harmful effect if it is taken in large quantity, but in small quantity it is useful for killing the germs, cleaning the bathroom so that you can maintain your toilet clean. This is also used in bleaching. Bleaching means that is decolorizing. Cotton, of course, cotton, linen, and paper also, so that you are able to get white color. Then the bleaching powder is also used as oxidizing agent. You know oxidizing agent, it is capable of giving out, supplying oxygen. But truly speaking, oxidizing agent undergoes reduction. And then, as I already mentioned, this is used as germicide, is a killer of germs. And this is a very good chemical in water treatment. Baking soda, this is another important chemical. This is nothing but sodium bicarbonate. It's also called sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is the formula for sodium hydrogen carbonate? NaHCO3. Sodium carbonate is Na2CO3, but this is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So there is only one sodium and hydrogen, then carbonate. So it's called sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is obtained from treating sodium chloride with the carbon dioxide, sodium chloride solution with the ammonia and the carbon dioxide. That is ammonia gas and carbon dioxide. They are passed through the sodium chloride solution. The sodium chloride solution can be called brine or brackish solution or saline water, which is nothing but sodium chloride solution of particular concentration. So we are able to get ammonium chloride, and sodium bicarbonate. So, you know the use of baking soda. It is useful in bakery. So you are able to get the fluffy like cake and biscuits, So while we bake, what happens along with this baking powder? Carbon dioxide is released so that you are able to get some, that is porous substrate, so that this is used in bakery. That is why it's called baking soda. Sometimes, so you may be asked why the bread is spongy when we use baking soda. On baking wheat with sodium bicarbonate, it produces carbon dioxide. You just look at the equation. Sodium bicarbonate, when it is heated, that is 2 moles of sodium bicarbonate. When it is heated, we get sodium carbonate, water, then carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is released as gas, and because of the evolution of this carbon dioxide, now our baked wheat, the stuff, food stuff, that is the bread, that looks spongy with a lot of holes. So it has the porous substrate on it. Baking soda is also used as a fire extinguisher. In case of any major fire accident, this sodium bicarbonate, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, is used as extinguisher to suppress the fire. How this is possible? Because of the release of carbon dioxide. So let us look at the equation. 2 moles of sodium bicarbonate. You just go through that sodium bicarbonate. 2 moles of sodium bicarbonate. When it is heated, then we get sodium carbonate, water, then carbon dioxide. Sodium carbonate, when it is treated with water, 10 moles of sodium carbonate combines to form sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca means 10. So sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is called washing soda. So what is the chemical name of washing soda? That is sodium carbonate decahydrate. That is sodium carbonate with the 10 moles of water. On recrystallization of sodium carbonate, washing soda is obtained. So this washing soda, that is a hydrated sodium carbonate, results frothing. It gives very good frothing. Frothing means foaming action. So that this is useful for cleaning clothes is used in soap, then paper and glass industries also. It is useful for making glasses. It's a cleaning agent as well as it softens the water. That is, it acts as water softening agent. That is, it removes some salts from water so that the water becomes potable also. So it is used as what? Water softener. We used to say hardness of water. Normal water, it will give very good lathering, that is soaping action with soap. But when we use water with salt, that is saline water or bore water or brine or brackish water, what happens is you are unable to, sometimes that is when you get some bore water, that is from the water taken from the ground, may not be, that is soft, that is it is a hard. Hardness of water means presence of some salt that disturbs the frothing action of soap. So in that case, this washing soda that helps us as softening agent. It removes a certain salt, and that is why it can be directly used for washing clothes, and you can get very good frothing. So if you get a better frothing, better foaming, then the cleaning action will be better, is it not?